We are talking about the third priority when it comes to where you should be putting your extra money every single time you get paid. Monday, we talked about the first priority, which is building your emergency fund. Yesterday was the second priority, which was putting some additional money towards your debt management strategy. And then today is my personal favorite. I want you putting even more money now into your savings and investment plan. You know, it's not just okay to just save for emergencies, because there's a purpose for that money, right? Which is emergencies. And it's not just okay to stop at putting money towards paying off your debt. You want to always make sure you're prioritizing building your overall assets, and that is your investment plan, your savings. Today, we're going to talk about what that looks like from a very basic on a stage, you know, for anyone to kind of capture and start to think about it for themselves. So the first thing you want to kind of understand is, what is investing? Anytime you put money into anything, you go to CVS and you buy some lotion, that's an investment you're making. You just aren't getting a cash return, but you're getting a return in something else, and you invest it into your overall, your physical health and your skin care, whatever that is. That's an investment. So when we talk about growing your assets, the first thing is to kind of talk about your goals. Identify the goal, understand how much it will cost you, and then sit down and talk about how much you're willing to put towards that goal every single time you get paid. Every single month will kind of help to build a systematic portfolio for you. The key is to always start early, because when you start early, you get to take advantage of the compounding effect. Every time you get gains, those gains make gains. And every time you put money in it, they make gains. And now you're building an investment portfolio that you can be proud of, right? And lastly, before I let you go for today, I kind of want to talk about kind of how you can get started. We talked about Robinhood. That's what we call a brokerage account. Fidelity, it's really easy nowadays to just kind of go in and open up an account like any bank account. They'll ask about your financial information, your risk tolerance, how much risk can you handle. And then you have access to all these stocks and bonds that you can buy. Or another way is, a lot of my clients, obviously I'm a financial advisor, they come to me and we work together. We kind of build with them a systematic portfolio catered towards their goals. And we kind of make sure that as the market moves, we're doing what we can to make sure that they're reaching their goal at the time they want to reach it. And that's really the biggest thing for investing. Later on, we'll probably have a more in-depth investing 101 kind of video for you, and I would love to do that. But bottom line is, this is your third priority with your extra cash. You always want to make sure that you're growing your assets. It cannot wait. You wait till 10 years from now, you just lost 10 years of growth. That's really how you should take a look at it. Any day you go by without investing, you're actually losing money. If you really look at it that way, because chances are you're putting that money into places you shouldn't be putting your money in, like Chinese for me this afternoon. But I will see you tomorrow for day number 5. Nope, day number 4. I'm sorry, day number 4. Talk to you soon.